is not just another milestone for an institution. It makes a momentous step forward for the education landscape of Tripura. I think it is a reflection of the growing importance of higher education in our state, and I am pleased to witness this development firsthand. Today, the Techno India University Tripura, alongside the Techno College of Engineering, Agartala, I think it is a home to approximately about 2,800 students. These students come from diverse backgrounds, with many from Tripura as well as other states such as Punjab, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and West Bengal, and also have students from Bangladesh, which highlights the expanding reach of this institution. I am pleased to note that higher education institutions in our state, including TIUT and TCA, are embracing the goals of National Education Policy 2020 under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji. The NEP aims to promote multidisciplinary learning, then skill development, value-based education, and global preparedness. And it also encourages an innovative approach to education and stresses the importance of preparing students for the challenges and opportunities of the future. The government of Tripura is committed to enhancing the higher education ecosystems in the state. Our vision is to make Tripura a leading hub. Already our Honorable Minister already have spoken about it, leading hub for the educational excellence in the Northeast. We are working towards creating a robust infrastructure, improving faculty quality, and ensuring greater access to educational resources for all students. Our policies and initiatives are aimed at creating an environment where students can thrive, learn, and build a future that is not only fulfilling for them personally, but also contribute to the development of our state and nation. The education system must connect with the needs of industry, research, innovation, and community development. We are proud to see that our educational institutions are increasingly involving students in diverse activities such as scientific research, skill development workshops, legal awareness campaigns, and community outreach programs. These initiatives enrich the academic experience and prepare students for the complexities of the real world. Tripura is undergoing a transformation. Over the past few years, we have seen rapid infrastructure development, then expanding connectivity and new opportunities emerging for the youth. Our government is committed to creating an environment where education plays a central role in preparing the next generation for a globalized, technology-driven world. We know that the major objectives of education encompasses personal development, socialization, economic growth, and the cultivation of critical thinking and ethical values. Through education, one is able to shaping minds for a better future. Education is a transformative journey that shapes the very essence of human existence. Education is the cornerstone of human programs and civilization.